Nonviolence is all around us. It influences and affects how we work, who's included in our work, and the way we behave. In every place and community where there is violence, there are people working for peace and to protect other people from violence. They listen, talk, welcome, and share. For example, how many times have you known the answer to a local community problem that you face and you just wish someone had asked you and included you in the solution that's needed? When we do listen to people immersed in the problems, they might not have the whole picture, but by meaningful inclusion and ownership, we ensure we haven't just left them to one side and excluded them and their expertise. Those people in their communities who are building solutions are doing the work of protection from violence, unrepresented in institutions, policies and mandates. They're innovating and responding to interrelated threats. By including and welcoming feminism and non-violence as a lens for studying how people organise for peace in their communities, with their individual stories, we reveal new solutions, behaviours and insights that are helping us to build understandings of what builds peace. In particular, how to save lives and reduce harm using non-violent protection or unarmed peacekeeping. Even if it's difficult to believe, unarmed civilians are using non-violence to protect other civilians from direct violence in armed conflict. And I'll show you how we know.